Hello again mga kabuchi! Welcome to our garden! Today, we will finally harvest our ampalaya. My sister wanted us to harvest only 2 ampalaya mga kabuchi. So, our first choice is this one. Okay, yes. Sophia. Okay. Yes, 1 ampalaya harvested. Okay. Yeah, this is so cool mga kabuchi. Pero naalan siya damage already. Nanakoy pest in my garden. But it's okay mga kabuchi. We are happy with the ampalaya. So what's gonna be the next ampalaya to harvest? I think they are still young mga kabuchi. I think the second one should be this one, or this one. Or this one, mga kabuchi. I think we better go with this one. Or that one. Ay, giud man ni siya. So, we pick this one. Let's just harvest the 3 ampalaya, Sophia Jane, because they are already for harvest. Anyway, our ampalayas have damaged areas. So, okay, harvest the second ampalaya. Okay, thank you, Sophia Jane.
And the third one is hard to reach.
Hard to reach. Okay, let's change places, okay? Yeah. Lemon ka karon ni tubo. Usaon pagtubo sa kung lemon mapay pagtanom ni tubo ng bunga. Okay, the third one mga kabuchi. Okay. So these are the ampalayas that we harvested mga kabuchi. This is already our breakfast for today. So are you happy with our breakfast for today?
Yes.
Are you sure? Kasi wild na limonsito. Where is the wild limonsito? Naadi ay asa man? Wa man kita na limonsito diha. Kaila ka limonsito? Nya, kaila kag buongon. Can you differentiate buongon from limonsito? Hi, I don't know, Sophia Jane. Maybe you are seeing buongon and not limonsito. Tarang buongon, oh. Tarang buongon. Okay, so this is the end of our short video, mga kabuchi. Okay, thank you for watching mga kabuchi. Dara among na harvest. Bye-bye.